very impressive handheld vacuum cleaner in terms of its suction power. It can suction up to 20,000 PA. 20,000. That is one of the best, if not the best, in the industry. And so 20,000, the higher the number is, the more powerful it is in terms of its suction power. So 20,000 is way more powerful than say 17,000 or like 50,000. This is a penny. Let's see if it could suction a penny. See? So there are like 3 different settings. So that's the first one, the second one, and then the third one. These are like leaves, and then let's see like how powerful this one is. So this is so portable too, like very sleek design and so portable. It came with a pouch, so this is the pouch, so you can just put this in the pouch and carry it anywhere you go. So you can just like put this in the trunk or by the side door, and you have a vacuum cleaner whenever you need one. So for example, you go to the beach and you bring in like some sand, then it's very easy to blow that sand. Or it came with 4 attachments, like 2 more for like a vacuum cleaning, one long and then the other one is shorter, and then 2 more are for blowing. This one is probably for the car, and then the other one is more for like small electronics or for laptop. So for example, your laptop or your computer gets dusty, you can use this to blow off the dust. It came with a USB too. So you just charge this, so this is a USB-C, you charge this to a USB-A port. So this is like really portable, super sleek design, and so powerful. And multi-use too, again, you can use this in your car or like inside your house. I highly recommend this like handheld vacuum cleaner from Minthouz. This was given to me by Minthouz. That is the branding.